Happy video day, guys. So today we're going to be doing a BOXYLUXE unboxing because I got my BOXYCHARM in the mail. I actually got it last night and I literally wasn't going to film this video today. It's literally 7 a.m. and you guys are probably going to see this video today. But my husband and daughter are making some type of surprise breakfast, which I don't know if I'm scared about or excited for. So because they're both entertained, I said, let me run over and film my BOXYLUXE unboxing so I could show it to you guys pretty quick. So that's what we're doing. It's super early in the morning. I never filmed this early. I feel like my eyes are still red. But I'm going to show you guys what I got in my September 2020 BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE. And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm Christina Brooke. I would love it if you'd hit the subscribe button and join the family, and let's get right into it. Guys, my eyes feel like they're half asleep. I don't know what's going on. Ooh. I love opening these boxes and then you see the BOXYCHARM. I don't know. I just feel like these boxes, like, still to me, they're such a surprise. You know, like, I don't look anymore at the spoilers. I still follow some of the accounts on Instagram, but I don't know if you guys know this, but Instagram is so weird. They don't show you, like, everybody that you follow. Let me fix my mic. They don't show you everybody that you follow, so sometimes, like, I literally have stopped seeing 100% of the spoilers. I don't see them anymore, so I literally don't know what's in this box. So we've got this little thing here. It says BOXYCHARM Glam Vibes Only. That's promising. So I got variation number 78. I don't know if you guys have noticed lately, but BOXYCHARM has like 5 million, like, variations. And I got 78. So let's go ahead and let's get into this. I didn't put a lipstick on because I did kind of pop open this box really quick. I don't know everything that's in it, but I did see that there was a lipstick, so I did want to try it on for you guys, so I didn't put lipstick on. So let's start off with that. Oh, it's a lip gloss, you see? I didn't even know. So it's from Persona Cosmetics, and this is the first thing we're gonna try on, and what is it? So it is the Season 1 lip gloss. So this is supposed to eliminate the tacky, glittery gooiness and add nourishing oils to create a comfortable high shine formula. And it retails for $16. So I've always wanted to try Persona Cosmetics. I feel like I've gotten something from them before. I don't even know. But ooh, I like the packaging. It reminds me of Ofra. You guys know the Ofra packaging? It kind of reminds me of that. And I got it in the color Honey. Now, I haven't really been wearing lip gloss lately, but why not? That's pretty. So that's actually a really pretty lip gloss, and it has a little bit of shine to it, but you can't really like see it. So I understand what they're saying, like it's not like glittery. It doesn't feel goopy. It feels really, really comfortable, and it actually goes really good with my look today because I'm super cash. I hardly have any makeup on, but I think I'm going to really like this. So I'm excited to have gotten this in the box. Like I said, I wanted to try Persona, and yeah, this was a nice little thing. Starting off really good, so I'm excited. What was it that I picked? I don't even remember. You see this? BOXYLUXE lets you customize stuff, but you customize it like the month before, and then I don't even remember what I picked anymore. So I don't know. Was this something I picked? I don't even know. Kate Sommerville. A long time ago, like years ago, I used to order from Kate Sommerville, and they used to ship from LA, and I remember I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. Kate Sommerville was like really in because Paris Hilton used to use her, and it was like the thing to use like years ago. And what did I use? I think I used this before. So this is the Exfolikate, the intensive exfoliating treatment. So this is known. This is definitely a treatment that is known from Kate Sommerville. So it is a clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. So it's a holy grail product, and I have heard a lot of people talk about this, and it retails for $85. That is a really, really nice price tag, and I do know for a fact that this is a brand that is pricey and very well known. So this is really, really worth it. I'm excited to try this out. I usually don't try strong treatments because my skin's very sensitive, but I do remember using Kate Sommerville in the past, and I never had a problem with her products. So I might give that one a go. Let's see what the next thing is. Ooh, Milk makeup. So far I'm getting like pretty good vibes from this. Glam vibes from this box. Okay, so this is the Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. Huh. I didn't think that this was a face mask. Okay, so that's interesting. It's a solid clay mask stick infused with matcha green tea that controls oil, balances skin, and calms redness for a fresh complexion. That seems really cool. So this is $26 and it's from Milk Makeup. So this also seems like a pretty interesting product. I like clay face masks and I've been wanting to add something into my bathroom because, you know, when I'm taking a bath sometimes I like to put on a face mask just because it's like the only moment of the day that I have maybe 20 minutes to 30 minutes all by myself with silence. Silence in the house. It's at night in the bath. Milk Makeup. I'm interested in this. This looks like it could be really cool. Look how cool that is. So it's just like that and then you pop this open and it has the clay in there. I'm gonna give this one a go. Yes, definitely gonna try that out. So that's another, so far guys, 3 for 3. I'm liking the first 3 products a lot. Okay, so the next thing we got here, oh, we have an eyeshadow palette. Look at that. It looks just like this. So who is Hipdot? Never heard of Hipdot. So it's conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Okay. I went to Park City this year, so I don't know. That's not the Utah canyons, is it? I have no idea. Well, I stayed somewhere that was called the Canyons. I don't know nothing. Okay, so this is $30 US and let's see what it looks like. The Xeon palette from Hipdot. Ooh, wow guys, so that is actually very pretty. All right, so it looks just like that. That is actually very, very pretty. I don't want to touch it because I already can tell I'm gonna give this away in a giveaway. There is so many holiday releases, guys, and I have been doing a lot more reviews on the channel, and if you guys know, my Make Up Your Mind series has been going pretty good and bad for me because I've been so excited about a bunch of new releases that I've seen myself picking up a lot of stuff. So I don't want to add another palette right now because holidays are coming. You guys, there's going to be so much eyeshadow palettes on my channel. So this is going to get given away to one of you guys. And I love to keep these type of things for you guys too. You know, I don't get BOXYCHARM and PR. I pay for this box. So if there's something in it that I would rather just give away to my viewers, I would so much rather do that. So what else do we have here? Ha ha ha. Oh, we got a product from Fenty. That's pretty cool. So this is the Fenty Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter. I never tried this. Okay, reflective foil-like finish, $36 US. You guys know this is the Fenty packaging. I love the Fenty packaging. What colors did I get? I got Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. Is that gonna, Sangria Sunset? Let's see what this looks like. Hopefully I got a pretty one because I've never tried this. Oh. Oh. Oh, so it looks like that. I don't know, guys. I don't think that's going to work for me. I don't know. Oh, what a shame. That's a little bit of a bummer. I don't think that's going to work for me. Have you guys tried this one? Would this work on my skin tone? I don't want to dive into it and like ruin it. Like I said, if it's not going to work for me, I'd rather give it away to one of you guys. So, I was hoping that this would have been a little bit more my style. So, man. That was a bummer. BOXYCHARM has like a profile that you fill out so that they can send you like customized products like to your skin tone and everything. But I feel like this is probably for a deeper skin tone. What do you guys think? Is it? I have no idea, but I just feel like that gold is gonna be like really gold on me, you know? So that was a bummer. Okay, so now let's keep on going. What else do we have in here? Oh, we've got a few more things. We got a big thing in here. What is this thing? What is this? This is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It has 5 of them in it. It's the ultimate pre-event mask. It's a hydrogel formula that infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients. And it retails for $135. $135 for 5 masks? What is this thing? Is this thing made out of gold? So the mask looks like this, each one of them. That is really interesting, but that is a very expensive mask. What is 135 divided by 5? Yeah, so that's actually pretty interesting. I don't think I would ever pay for a Rose Gold Brightening facial treatment for $135 for 5 masks. But I am very interested in trying this out because maybe it's fabulous. And I'll probably include one of these in a giveaway for you guys because I really think it would be fun for you guys to try this. But the hydrogel mask in combination with 24 karat gold and damask rose extract. So there's gold in here. That is a very, very fifi product, let me just tell you. Okay, so now that we've gotten shocked by a $135 gold face mask, we've got this. This also seems like a really cool thing. Okay, so what is this? This is for the hair. I kind of like that BOXYCHARM has been including hair stuff. I haven't been able to go to the salon since February. Okay, so my hair needs to be cut and I need to redo my roots. I've got so much stuff to do and I'm starting to notice that my hair is getting really dry at the ends because I usually cut them off and then re-highlight. But since I haven't gone to the salon, I'm like, oh my God, my hair looks horrible. So I'm actually happy to have gotten a deep conditioning mask for the hair. So this is the Cura Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. It's an intense, nourishing, and hydrating treatment that revives hair that has been dried or damaged by environmental or styling stresses. You are going to come in handy because this is definitely me right now. $24 US, and it looks like this. Have you guys heard of this brand? I don't know too much about like hair treatments. I only know like a few brands and I don't know that one. So if you guys have tried it before, let me know. And do we have, oh, we do. We have one more product inside of this box. Oh, and it's from a brand I really like. Ooh, this could be really cool. What is this? So this is from Pure and Travel Essential 12-piece brush set. Cute. Now I like this little container. This container is great for travel. How do you open this thing? Ah. Okay, so then it comes with all of these cute little brushes inside of it. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Oh my God, this is really, really, really cute. So I'm probably gonna scoop through these, see if there's any that I want to keep, and then all the rest of them I'll probably give to you guys in a giveaway because got a lot of brushes already. But this right here is a travel 12-piece brush set, cruelty-free. It's a luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers. And yeah, so this retails for $49 US, and you've got a lot of brushes in here for $49. Got a cute little travel case. This is actually really, really adorable. Hey, this was not a bad box, right? I think that this was pretty decent. Now, I will say that it was not the most exciting BOXYLUXE, but I feel like I've gotten some useful products in it. So like, I really think that this is gonna come in handy, the deep conditioning mask, and it might actually come in handy to a lot of people because a lot of us haven't gone to salons. The Kate Sommerville product, this I know is like a top rated product. So already like 2 products are great. The mask, this also looks like it could be really, really good. A lot of people like charcoal masks. This extremely expensive face mask thingy, that looks like it could be pretty damn cool. If this would have been the right color, I probably would have thought that this was amazing. The lip gloss was actually very, very good. I have it on. I feel like it feels awesome. The brush set, fantastic. I think it's great. And the eyeshadow palette looks like it's very pretty. So I think that this was a very successful BOXYLUXE. I think it was consistent. I think it had good products in it. I think it had useful products in it. I don't think that it had that one wow factor like product that you just stop in your tracks and go, you know, but I think overall every product was good. And sometimes in those boxes that you get like that one product that's amazing, some of the other ones kind of are like not that great. This one to me was very consistent. So I think all the products were pretty damn good. But since some of these products I really can't try on right now because they're like face masks and stuff, all those things, I'll try to put some stuff up on Instagram. So if you're not following me over there, it's at Christina Brooke Beauty. Don't forget to follow me over there. I do love to put up like little tutorials and I'll give you guys like little feedback on my stories and stuff. So I'm gonna try. So yeah, I think that this was good. I liked it. So this is the total retail value of my BOXYLUXE this month. If you guys don't know, BOXYLUXE is $49.99 and it comes every quarter. So you have a $25 subscription to BOXYCHARM, and then every quarter if you upgrade to BOXYLUXE, you get a bigger box, but you pay a little bit more money. And yeah, I think it was pretty good. So anyways, guys, I want to know from you guys, did you guys like your BOXYLUXE this month? And how about your regular BOXYCHARMs? If you didn't get BOXYLUXE, was the BOXYCHARM boxes any good this month? I want to know. Lately, I've been with BOXYCHARM. The first few months of the year, I was like, what is going on? Last month, and I think the month before, I had some pretty decent boxes. And this month, I think, was pretty decent too. So I'm starting to get a little bit more excited with BOXYCHARM again. We'll see how it keeps on going. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me those comments down below and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.
I'm cooking Mommy's special rib. Today I'm getting pink potato. If you want to join the video, then you have to hit subscribe. Goodbye!